So I'm doing a quick review on the EchoGo Plus. I'm not a doctor, I'm not an influencer. They did give me a code below just because I knew I wanted to make this video. I couldn't find any videos on this product when I was researching, so I just wanted to do an unboxing and tell you what I think so far. I'm interested in increased energy and the benefits to gut bacteria, but do your own research as far as it goes to the benefits of hydrogen water. So here I am unboxing the product. This little cap comes over the metal plate. That's going to arrive a little wet. I was surprised by this, but that has to stay wet. And I never really opened that bottom. This model is self-cleaning, they say, so there's no calcium buildup or any sort of buildup. It comes with a USB-C charger, and that little top just goes around the top. It's just like a silicone cap. Here's the charger. So I'm going to show you how I use this EchoGo Plus. I never let it dry fully, so it's always going to have little droplets on the inside. And it's not going to come with instructions, but you do go online and there's a PDF. So there's the cap again on the bottom, the charging port, and the power button. I always leave that screwed in on the bottom. So you unscrew the top and just put in your filtered water. I think it holds about 10 ounces. Now you can push this button to start it once and it'll count down. It's only blinking because of the camera. It doesn't really blink in real life, that display. So it'll be 5 minutes, but you can also push it again when it's done and then get more concentration of hydrogen. The exact amount is on their website, but here's the little bubbles. It's actually really nice. So overall, I really like this. It's super practical, easy to use, feels really durable. I've had it for a couple months. I did ask them for a code only because I knew I wanted to make this video because I couldn't find it anywhere. So I'd really appreciate it if you would use it below, but no pressure at all. Hope you enjoy the process of researching, and good luck.